Storm Team 29 forecast.
Well, you're looking at a live view from the Boar's Head's Winter Wonder at the resort, and again on select dates taking place now through January the 30th. So a nice opportunity to go out and see the lights. It is a neat display, and again, all the information on our website as well as the Boar's Head. Let's take a look at highs today. It felt more like October and not the second day of December. Temperatures running some 15, almost 20 degrees above average. We're still at 64. Of course, we know it's been breezy, windy at times for some. Those southwesterly winds will persist until a front comes through. A cold front will come through early tomorrow morning. We may have another surge of wind at least to start the day. As we take a look at numbers in the Shenandoah Valley, it's currently 59. You made it well into the upper 60s today as well. Some other numbers, 64 currently in Madison. We've got 63 in Palmyra, 62 in Livingston, right now 61 in Waynesboro. So winds will still persist out of the southwest here this evening. A cold front will come through overnight, and in the morning our winds will turn more westerly, but even behind the front, it's still going to be mild. Now, we still have an active wind advisory for the Shenandoah Valley, high wind warnings farther west across the Allegheny and Potomac Islands, but still some of those higher elevations could realize gusts in excess of 40 up to 50 miles an hour, that running until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. So temperatures here tonight, quite mild. Most of us only fall back in the low 40s, average overnight lows in the low 30s, and then tomorrow, even behind the front, most of us back in the low and mid 60s across the region, at least breezy the first part of the day. Should be a nice evening, although maybe not that festive chill in the air. Festive in terms of the ceremony. It's the Charlottesville's Grand Illumination at the Ting Pavilion. Activities begin at 5 o'clock and temperatures will be falling through the 50s. Now looking at the weekend, upper 50s, low 60s on Saturday. Another front swings through. That too swings through dry, but it'll knock the temperatures down a bit more here for Sunday in the upper 40s to around 50. We do have a few little returns on the radar here as you look at the satellite radar combination. Again, a lot of that moisture is either well to our north or back in the mountains. It's running into a very dry air mass here east of the Appalachians. But over the last several days, we've had a parade of storms working across the northern tier of the U.S. out of Canada, what we call clippers, and the attending fronts swing through, and they usually help uptick the winds a bit and help cause some fluctuations with the temperatures. Certainly we're on the mild side of things. Temperatures even at this hour are still well in the 60s. So as we start tomorrow morning, we're in the 40s. It'll be a bit breezy to start the day. We'll have sunshine tomorrow. Temperatures will still be in the 60s, even behind the front. And then Saturday morning, we'll start in the upper 30s and low 40s. Another front comes through during the day. That'll kick up the wind a bit more, but upper 50s, low 60s on Saturday, a little cooler on Sunday. Tonight, mostly clear, breezy at times, temperatures here in the low 40s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, we'll begin to back off on the temperatures as we progress through the weekend. A few showers on Monday, but then temperatures could still range from the upper 50s and low 60s, kind of honing in on Wednesday of next week for a better chance of some rain, and we'll watch the timing on that over the next several days. Temperatures generally in the low 50s this time of year is seasonable for us.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.